Hey everyone, today I am sharing something that honestly changed the way I live, and it might just change your life too. You know that sinking feeling when your electricity bill shows up and it's higher again, no matter how careful you were? That was me every month. I was tired of watching my money disappear, so I went looking for a real solution. That's when I discovered the quick power system. But first, super important warning. There are a lot of fake copies floating around online. To stay safe, only get it from the official website. I'll leave the link in the description and in the first comment for you. So what is Quick Power System? It is basically a step-by-step guide that shows you how to build your own home power generator using cheap, everyday materials you can find at almost any store. The best part? You don't need to be an engineer or have electrical experience. The manual makes it so simple that literally anyone can do it. When I put it together and started using it, I was shocked. My energy bills dropped massively. Not only was I saving money, but I also felt free from being 100% dependent on the power grid. And since it's renewable, it's eco-friendly and doesn't add any extra costs once you've built it. At first, I'll be honest, I was skeptical. I wasn't sure if it would actually work, but after reading all the testimonials and seeing the money-back guarantee, I decided to take the leap. And honestly, best decision I've made. It works, it's reliable, and now I feel prepared even if there's a blackout or the grid fails. What I love most, huge savings on my bills, total energy independence and security, easy to assemble, no expert skills needed, sustainable and eco-friendly risk-free guarantee. Just remember, don't fall for fake versions. Stick to the official website, link below. So yeah, I just had to share my experience because this has been a game changer for me and my family. If you're tired of overpriced electricity bills and want more independence, definitely check it out. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next video.